Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in Affinity Publisher anywhere. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document and take some pages with some text. Now we want to insert picture from anywhere. Go to the first page. Then go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. Now I select the place tool and choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. You can insert picture anywhere. Place this picture. Go to the another page and apply this same process. Select this picture and click open and place anywhere. Now we can see we insert picture anywhere very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.